Hey guys, Ben with Reclaimed Living. Now that I've got the kitchen almost done except for some baseboards and painting, I'm coming here to work on my vintage stools. These go back to the early 1900s. Came from a I guess a soda fountain store, a general store. They're no longer around. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together. Okay, so I still have to clean them up some. Now, underneath my floor, I have a lot of ductwork for the AC and the HVAC units and stuff. So I can't really get underneath there. So what I'm doing, I made these brackets. They're about an inch thick. I rounded them off. And here's what's going to happen with them. They're going to fit right in here on the bottom, right? And it's going to get screwed in. I have to make holes in the oak flooring. So this part here, as well as the bolt, fits in. And with that, these guys are going to go in just like that. And then I will be able to turn this guy right into the nut. Now, as you can see, I got all these holes here. It's going to get screwed right in. And that's where I'm at. But the first thing I need to do is I need to drill a 1/2 inch hole down in here for the bolt to fit, and then a 3/4 inch through here for the nut to fit in. Now, these guys are going to go in here this way. And I'm going to drill a couple of holes in here and screw these guys in so they don't move. And they stay right in here with the bracket, and it'll be recessed. That's where I'm at. I've got 4 of these to do. Let me show you the seating. Here they are. This is one of them. I reupholstered them. I cleaned up the chrome, and I've got 4 ready to go. So that will be the seating for the counter. This is the counter. It's all there. Let me show you where I'm at and how things are gonna look. It's all coming together. Okay, so I have my wood bracket in. I pre-drilled the holes because underneath this is the oak floor, and if you don't pre-drill that, 1 or 2 things will happen. Either the drill bit will break or you'll crack the wood, and that's a no-no. So I pre-drilled 5 per bracket, and if you remember, I have that 1/2 inch in there, 1/2 inch nut, which is secured underneath there with screws. Let me show you how this is all going to work out. Hopefully, right? So, now that bottom, I just turn it because I have the bolt set right in it, and it gets in there until it tightens up. That's tight. It's getting nice and tight now. And as you can see, it doesn't move at all. It's nice. Now what I will probably do is put 1 little screw right here so it doesn't move at all, doesn't twist off. But when I get it nice and tight, I'm basically done with it. There's no room underneath there. It's not moving at all. I'm gonna do that with all of them. As you can see here, right now they're just placed in the hole. And I'm going to put the rest of the brackets in, and then I'll take it from there. This thing here is exactly the same as what's on here, size-wise, same thing. Okay, and this will keep me centered as I pre-drill. There you go, just like that. Gonna be basically the same thing as what you're looking at. Gonna go in here like that. Okay, and that's it. Now I'm gonna pre-drill it. I'm gonna drill right into the floor. I'm gonna do all 4 of them. This way the wood won't crack and it'll make a nice secured bond. Okay, so all the wood brackets are set, and I actually screwed in the washer into the wood so it doesn't move. And so basically it goes something like this. These are going to go in here like this. The nut is recessed inside because there's a hole in there that I popped in. I'll show you that hole right there. Okay, that goes in. I got them numbered. This is 1 and 2. I haven't done 3 and 4 yet. As you can see, here it is. And as I step back, you can see the foundations for the stools that will sit up on it. And that's where I'm at. Okay, so the stools are in permanently. I screwed them in as I had showed you that I had built the bracket underneath, and this screwed in. Turn it and turn it until it got real tight. I may put a screw on the inside here so it doesn't move, but it's solid. You hear that? She's not thudding, she's not moving. The only thing that moves a little bit is up here. That's the ball bearings. When it turns, they turn freely, you know, they're fine. And that's it with this part. And all of them turn freely. And I'm basically done with this. Now the next thing is to put the bar across the foot railing, and that's it. And I do have to put a door here because I'd like to use that as my my little bar, a liquor cabinet. I'm gonna create a hinge in the center, and so this way I can open it up. That's it for now. Okay, so that's it. I'm done with this project. If you enjoy the videos and you like the kind of things that I'm putting out there, a lot of how-to stuff, subscribe. You'll get notified every time I put something out there. A lot of great stuff coming up. Enjoy the ride, folks. God bless. Have a great day.